Alrighty. Finally. Got my impact driver that I wanted. I bought one not too long ago. My wife made me return it because we were broke and we needed money.
I got no money.
I don't really care about fame, popularity. I just need money.
Yeah, right.
Anyways, this is a Dewalt Impacf Driver. What I like about it is that it comes with a power stack. Pretty good price, $150. 30 more percent torque, so I guess it's stronger. To be honest, where is it? Oh, I don't have it with me. But anyways, I have two other impact. I actually have 3 impact drivers. One is at home with my wife, so it's my wife's impact driver. She uses it around the house, but still mine. But anyways, they're pretty strong. I don't.
You talk too much.
No, I don't know. I already forgot. I have one that is like the short nose one. I believe it's an XR, maybe. Anyways, so yeah. I had 4 in total, but one flew out the back of my truck. Imagine, I left the tailgate open, and then I had a phone call. Nothing special about it. It's a 3-speed, 20-volt max. DCF 845. Nice. Alrighty. So we got here the clip. This is what you put onto the impact driver, and then you put it on your belt. I usually like to put it in my pocket. I'll show it to you guys later. But anyways, brand new battery. Whew. I probably have like a bunch of these batteries. Look at that, fresh. All right, 2 bars, not bad. Battery charger. Just gotta put it on charge. I like having a full battery. I wish they would come with the rapid charger. I forgot what it's called, but it's like all yellow, and it pretty much charges the battery like much faster, which is actually pretty cool. It can literally charge a battery in like less than 20 minutes, I believe. And it's just pretty awesome. So I'm gonna plug this in. Battery looks the same, hasn't changed. I meant like the design and the looks about the same. All right, now time for the big finale. Da 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 da. Sorry. Da 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 da. Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh! Came with another battery. What the heck? Completely forgot about that.
I can't believe I forgot about that.
Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, that's right. Huh. It's basically a free battery, pretty much. Man, that's a good deal, Dewalt. Thank you. And these batteries are awesome. They're like, they're so long lasting, and they have a lot of power. Yeah. I'd rather charge this one up. That's pretty cool. I'm really excited now. Let's see, should I throw this away? Oh man, look at that, there's a little screw right there. Could have threw that away, then I would have freaking not be able to forgive myself later. Anyways. And here it is. The weapon. Dun, 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 dun. I have a bunch of poison ivy, yep. Alrighty, cool. So I'm just gonna put this battery in for the Ooh. That's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. And to be honest, I never ever use speed 1 or speed 2. I don't know if any of y'all do. Let me know what y'all even use it for. Like, let's say that there's a certain thing I need to screw in and I have to put it on number 1 for it to screw in. I don't know, for me, I just always 3, because the faster the better. And I don't know, maybe it's like when I have to do like more precision type work where I have to carefully screw in a screw, then yeah. Let's see, I think I'm yeah. Alrighty, there you go, the impact driver.